In today's video, I am going to show you 2 easy ways you can take your cucumber harvest and turn it into delicious pickles. Welcome to City Homestead Living. I'm Tammy, and if you are finding value in our videos, please be sure to subscribe. It's absolutely free. Hit the notification bell down below and pass on our videos to others who might benefit from learning how to do things like preserving their cucumber harvest. 2 of the best ways to preserve your cucumber harvest is by making either refrigerator or quick picks or canning. I know right now some people are having trouble finding canning lids, and so if you haven't stocked up, I can show you that if you take your reusable jars from, say, pickles that you bought at the store, or dressings, or jams, a variety of different things, save the lids so that you can put a top on them. And if you want to make refrigerator pickles, then you don't have to have a canner. It's kind of a cross between fermented and canned, so it's an easy, quick way to do it. And then the next way I'm going to show you is to actually can your pickles. So we will show you the step-by-step process we go through when we can our pickles for long-term preservation. We have 2 cloves of garlic in each of our jars. Now we're going to put some sprigs of dill.
Chunk them into chunks.
Cut them into chunks and then put them in the jar. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to wipe off my fingers.
Once you wash your hands. I think I'm going to choose a different knife because this one is not going to be as good. So, butcher knife, much better. And you cut off the end pieces, just the little end pieces, and then we'll slice them into spears.
I'm gonna get a towel. Okay, that feels much more better. What?
Just the end, the little end pieces.
That should be enough.
I might get one more chunk in there. Peel the rest of them and you can eat it. No, that's too big.
Too big?
Okay. Yeah, well, it's because I'm putting on the, I put on the heat. And one more. That's pretty good. Oh, you think you need a long handle thing? Why don't we do a whisk? Yeah. That'll work.
That's good.
And so you want to do it at the bottom, so because you want to incorporate all that sugar and salt. And do you know how it boils? What it does?
No.
No. Okay. When it comes to a boil that bubbles, And then when it bubbles so much that you can't stir it and it won't quit bubbling, then it's done boiling. So we're just now it's watching it.
Bye.
Now I have to pour this, and it may or may not take it all. Just pour. Pour a little more.
Nope, it didn't take it out.
A little more.
A little more.
And you gotta put the lid on it. Okay.
That hurt.
So now you gotta debubble it. Stick the knife in it. Kind of do it in the middle too. Sometimes they're hiding in the middle. You see now it's not quite at the top of our pickles, so we'll want to put just the tiniest bit more, maybe less than that even. Yeah. Thank you for coming along with me today on my journey. I hope you had a great time learning ways that you can preserve your cucumber harvest. Please feel free to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, pass on our videos to others, and as always, happy homesteading adventures.